Hey everybody, today we are going to do an unboxing from a bag from GiGi NewYork, and here it is. Ooh, it looks quite big. It is a larger box, a larger bag. This is the Brooke Barrel Bag. I'm really excited about it because for the first time GiGi NewYork and I are collaborating on this review. They sent me this bag, so these opinions are my own. I was not told what to say. They're 100% my own. But this bag was sent to me for free to review. So let's unbox this as quick as possible. I watched some of my old unboxing videos and I just take my sweet time, don't I? Yes, I do. All right, let's look at this. It's nice and rainy today in St. Louis, so I'm just in a sweatshirt, ponytail. Haven't been feeling the best today, and I was like, what do you do on a day you don't feel good? You film a YouTube video. It's not a good idea, but I want to get this done. Okay, box is opening. Oh, I think I'm coming at it from the bottom because I'm hiding my address from you. Some paper, some cardboard. Oh, this is huge and it's really pretty. Okay, here we go. Let's move this out of the way. Ooh, can you see it? Black, gold hardware. Okay, here we go. So this is the Brooke Barrel Bag. It's from the, I believe the Courtney Kerr collection. Oh wow. Dual handles, gold hardware, and this is in the pebbled finish. So let's have you zoom in on that. I own 3 other bags from GiGi. I own 3 other bags that I own from GiGi NewYork, and all 3 of them have the embossed leather on them. So this is my first one to have all pebble leather. Wow, but you know what it's missing? No crossbody strap. And I'm kind of okay with this. I own one other duffel barrel bag like this from a different company, and that has a crossbody strap, which is kind of like a nice detail, nice addition when you need it, but I never really use it. I always put it in the crook of my arm while I wear a sweatshirt. No, I think this bag looks really high-end, so I'm excited to use this for some of my formal events, network marketing, corporate business, whatever you have in your life that's a little more fancy. But maybe I am somebody that would just go to Walmart in my sweatpants and my sweatshirt carrying this. It's super cute, isn't it? You want to dive in more? Let's take these handles apart. It's just really thoughtfully put together. I mean, there's even plastic on the tab here with the logo GiGi NewYork. Oh, it's so nice. I want to show you what I'm looking at. It's just really a nice heavy metal here. Feels nice and cold. Here's a little tag that says GiGi NewYork. Let's take that off. They're just thoughtful with their branding. I just posted a video a month or so ago in July of my 3 other GiGi NewYork bags. I just put them all in one video. So let's jump in here. Okay, what is this? I know what it is. This is a oversized dust bag with GiGi NewYork on the bottom. I do store my bags in dust bags if they come with one. Lots of tissue paper, really nice. I just tossed that tissue paper and it almost knocked over my new aloe vera plant. More tissue paper. More tissue paper. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is lined. I feel like a little different than my other ones. So let's get you in on the lining. This is GiGi NewYork. There's 2 pockets there. 1 zipper pocket and logo. There you go. And that's like maybe a light canvas lining. I kind of like that. Awesome. I mean, even the details on this inside zipper, can you see this? It's just very thoughtful, very intentional. And then I pointed out those 2 pockets. We have the leather used in GiGi NewYork products is produced from the finest full grain leather. Full grain leather, everyone. Although sometimes embossed with a print, natural markings may appear, but I'm not seeing any markings on this black bag. Do not expose to excessive temperature, sunlight, or exposure to liquids. So I don't know how this would do in the rain. My other bags have been fine, but they're just also stating don't do it excessively. And then you can use a cleaning product if you'd like, but test it in an inconspicuous area first. Great, and then their contact info. Thank you, GiGi NewYork. Okay, I'm back and I've put some of my daily carry items into the Brooke Barrel Bag. I should say this retails for $450. Sometimes I see GiGi NewYork has some great sales near the end of the summer and right before Christmas. It's really beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to be posting more pictures of this on my Instagram account, ThePerfectLeatherBag. But if you'd like to see a follow-up video, comment below, let me know. Subscribe to be notified when I do another video on this, but this is really gorgeous. Okay, listen to the zipper. It's so easy, so smooth. Nothing to it. Okay, so on the sides I put my cell phone, Galaxy S7, and that's how high it fits in the pocket. Can you see well? And just some tissues, my favorite lip gloss. And then over here we have, I mean, it's kind of full, but there is still room. Let me show you how much room is left. How would we do this? Okay, let's see. This is how full it is. Just lots of extra room near the top. You guys see it all the time. My filofax personal size. I love this thing. I just threw another journal in here just to see how much it could hold. Earbud case. This is a wallet I've been currently using from Urban Southern. It's been going strong. Let's see. So you can see this all folds up. And that was fitting in there just fine. And of course, my Whipping Post pouches, 2 of them, always in my bags. So there you go. What do you think? I don't know. GiGi NewYork is just a really cool company to me. They are not afraid of color. So if you're somebody who wants full grain leather, but you want like a really bright color, bright purple, bright green, check them out. They're always changing the colors that they have in stock. So subscribe to their newsletter. And yeah, I'm glad that you guys got to see this new bag with me. I will be using it for the next couple weeks and see how it goes. Thanks again for watching, guys.